are affiliate marketing networks? So in general, as I said, there's at least 15 that we're going to talk about, and basically they're all just collections of places where you can find affiliate offers, and they usually take a small cut of the sale as well. So for instance, like JVZoo, ClickBank, Avangate, all those sort of ones that we're going to talk about, basically it's just a collection, and so some of them deal more with digital products, some deal with physical products and things like that. And basically you can just go there and then you can search through their marketplace, and there's usually like thousands and thousands of different offers, so you can search whatever your niche is, whatever audience you've attracted. You can then basically just search for something inside that niche, and then there's usually going to be lists of a bunch of products, and then you can just click through them, pick different ones that look good, different ones that you think your audience would like, and then just use those. And they're usually free to, almost all of the markets are free to join. And what's also nice about it is usually you don't have to deal with any of the tax stuff. So, so that's what makes it nice about the affiliate marketing, is that basically, like, when you get in there, you usually give them, if you're from America, your tax information, and then so that way they will, the networks will take care of all the tax stuff as far as like 1099s and all those different tax forms and stuff like that. Basically, they collect that from you right from the get-go, so then that makes it easy for the actual people running the affiliate links, the actual people that have the products and stuff like that. They would have to pay you and send each one of you guys 1099s if you make over a certain amount of money or whatever. With this, that is all taken care of by the network. So they get your tax information right from the get-go, and then if you earn over a certain amount, then they'll be able to then do all the tax stuff for you automatically, so you don't have to worry about any of that kind of stuff. And it makes it really easy to just, take care of all that organization as far as all that goes. But basically, most of these networks have thousands and thousands of products in all different niches. They're all pretty much free to join, and you're not limited to just one. So you can join all of them and then find just so many different products that you can find for whatever niche you're doing. So that's basically, in a nutshell, what they are. Now we're going to get in depth to some of the best networks that there are, and some of the pluses and minuses, how to set it up, how to join it, how to get it all going. And so, it makes it a really easy way to keep your affiliate sales organized. And one of the best things is that they all have dashboards. So basically, like, they usually always update automatically too. So you're not wondering how many people are actually clicking the links, how many people are actually buying. So you get real-time analytics on like every single one of these networks, where you'll have dashboards and you'll be able to see exactly how many clicks you have gotten. Okay, you'll be able to see exactly how many people have bought your product. You'll be able to see exactly how many people bought and exactly how much you have earned. And then, based on their rules and based on, how much you sold and stuff like that, will decide, like, kind of the payment that you get. Not the payment you get, but like the schedule of the payments. So some of them will pay you out literally the next day. Some of them it'll be a couple week waiting period. And we'll talk about all this kind of stuff as well. But then, these networks will make it really easy to collect your payments and then send you your commissions. So, they take care of basically all of the work. So it's not like the company is paying you. Basically, the network, it's just taking the sale. So it's not like you're trusting the actual company to pay you. It's more like the network, takes the earnings that you get out automatically and then puts them straight into your bank account or your PayPal or whatever you choose to do there. So it's all automatic, and that's what's so great about these networks, is you don't ever have to contact the person that you sold for and be like, hey, will you pay me or whatever. The network takes care of all of that. So all you have to do is get clicks, have someone buy the product, and then literally the network will take out what you deserve, and then pay the rest out to the company, and then they will just direct deposit your earnings on a monthly basis or weekly basis, daily, all those sort of things. So they organize it all. They make it really simple to find tons of products, to get paid the way you should be paid without any worries, and then they'll give you your tax forms at the end of the year automatically. So it's all really, really simple, and so these are really, really awesome, and we're going to leverage these to make a lot of money.